How to fix and solve videos not showing on Pocket FM app. And the very first troubleshooting step that you can try to initiate is, of course, check if your Pocket FM application is, of course, checked if your Pocket FM app is currently updated to its latest version. Now head over directly to wherever you have downloaded the app and ensure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically do the magic by itself. If updating the application will not resolve the issue, then all you have to do is to clear cache and data from the app itself. Now tap and hold on the Pocket FM app and then just simply tap on the eye icon. In here, you should be able to see three options, such as force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Now simply choose on clear data and make sure that you both try these two options here, like clear all data, and once done, clear cache. Now if this does not resolve the problem, then all you have to do is just to simply uninstall the application and try to reinstall it again. And those are the basic steps on how you can troubleshoot and fix and solve the videos not showing on Pocket FM app.